Hello YouTubers, just making a short video today, just testing out my new Rigol D1102E oscilloscope. It's a dual channel 100 megahertz. For the purposes of today, just going to do an audio check on the amplifier. The exciter is just a GECB. And it's going into a 1000 watt dummy load by MFJ, and power measurements are through the Bird Wattmeter. Alright, so the first thing we'll do is just do a carrier. One, two, 1, 2. Alright, we're TXing. So here we go. So we are on channel 1. Audio checking. Okay, so that's AM. Audio checking, 1, 2, testing. Audio. Nice rounded trapezoid pattern. We'll now turn, let's see, I'll just do a audio checking 1, 2, so around about 10 watts. Audio, yeah, around about 10 watts. Just turn the amp on. And I'm going to go to this probe, which is, we'll get rid of channel 1. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Audio. That's a lovely pattern. And we go to here. Audio. So about 100 watts. We'll go to high. Audio. 1, 2. 1, 2. Audio. Lovely pattern. Audio. About 320 on average. We'll go to peak. Audio. About 360 watts PEP. Audio. Audio. That's a lovely pattern. Audio checking 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice little amplifier. This is my GE. Rebuilt this GE. VCO caps, PLL. Lots of track repairs. Full alignment. And we look at that. All a 1, 2, 1, 2 audio. We'll put the amp into AM. Audio 1, 2. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And it all looks good. There we go. Nice little setup. Sorry for the mess, guys. That's my my test bench. I need to get another bench. I've run out of space. All right, thank you. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.